Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers for analyzing the Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks. So before we get into this week analysis, so this is my disclaimer. Read carefully, and this channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for financial investment. And I'm not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. I'm just explaining how I'm trading this stocks through Elliott waves. Just I'm sharing my knowledge so you can also learn a lot of things. So our watch list is starts from Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Titan, Grazim, Raymond, so nearly 26 plus 228 pairs. So little bit fast I will do. You, if you want, you didn't understand, you just playback everything. So let's do nearly 1 hour and more than that, nearly 90 minutes. So that is too long for that beginners who didn't understand this Elliott waves. So for that, and I'm not uploading that in my Telegram channel also because I'm very tight schedule in my forex and as well as in stocks also. I keep on watching, but I don't have any time to upload it. So from here itself, I'm not so sure about that, but I will do that YouTube video once a week or twice a week, like that, monthly twice or weekly once, according to my schedule. So let's start with Nifty. So Nifty, I'm expecting a reversal, and I said that previous 15 days before, and last week I ready for that video, but it's a Diwali time on Saturday, and it was my street is very busy in busting the crackers, so lot of noises, and that affected my forex also. But even though I finished my forex and uploaded that video, and I'm not able to do that stocks for the past 2 days is all noise because of the crackers. That is why I didn't done that video. So let's start with now Nifty. So Nifty, as per this, so in the past 15 days before, I said whether the fourth way is ended here means ABC, ABC, and ABC. So the fourth wave is ended here means this is the end of the fifth wave, and we will get rejected. So that is my 15 days before itself I said. So now also there is a one more option, and I have updated that on the 17th, whether if this is the end of the fourth wave. So this could be wave 1, wave 2, so 3, 4 and 5. So 13,200 is my target if that fifth wave is got an wedge formation and it got a 5-way structure, or else if this is the end of the fourth wave in the running flat, so this is the end of that, or it could be a wedge formation also. So in any conditions, whether it has to reject it from here, or it could be a one more way to the high, or it could be a wedge formation, but within this 13,200 to 13,000, maximum is 13,500, I think so. So it has to get rejected, and the individual stocks also showing that same thing. I will show you each and every pair, then you will come to your conclusion. Why am I expecting a rejection? Whether it is already reversed, or it could make a one more three-way structure to the downside for the fourth and fifth way. From the 13,200 it has to drop. So anyway, I'm looking for the drop. And one thing you have to understand, I had already posted that positional view of two positional views. For that, it's a weekly chart. The one count is A, B, C is a B and C. So this is the flat corrections. So that impulsive wave also, it's looking like a 3-3 wave. So we can label it. This is the opportunity to make a wave count, maybe an impulsive wave also. So that also I did, and as well as in the forex it can do like that also, A B C as a B and C. So anything is this a W. So if this is a triangle, so this could be an X. So this is all valid for that. That is why I'm placing that both the scenario W, X, A, B and C here. W, X, A, B and C has got finished. In that case this could be a W and this is the X, and A in the 5 wave is now finished. So again B wave and one more C wave is possible. And one thing is, apart from that, this is the leading diagonal of wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In that case this is not a triangle. If you did as an impulsive wave like this, so 1 2, here is a 1 2, and these are all the intermediate waves, 1 2 3 4, and fifth wave is got extended for this third wave, after that fourth wave is in a running flat, fifth wave got ended, means this one, this 2, 3 and 4 is already got completed. After that the 5 waves is also finished or yet to finish. If in that case, if this is the end of the third and this is the end of the fourth, means this could be an end of the fifth, the whole from 0 to 1000 13,200 are yet to finish or it's already finished. It looks like the 5-way structure got ended here. In that case minimum 38.2 retracement will be occur, or the whole place is the one cycle is finished and one more ABC. So nearly 50% means 13,200. Again what I expected in this time, 6,500 has to come, the 15%, 50%. So anyway I am looking from here, either this could be W, X, A, B and C, one more high to the higher side. We need a B way structure, or is the end of the structure, means again bigger ABC and we are in the correction, means it will fall nearly to 6,000 range also. So that is why I have already posted that. But sometimes if this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, according to that Fibonacci expansion, if here it did exactly 618, so wave 1 2 and fifth wave can be extended also. In that case this could be again 1 also, and again 2 3 4 5, like this it can happen here. So in that case also, that is also valid for the fifth wave. So this is my Nifty view, and we will move on to that Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also I expected, but I didn't expect it this much very fast. But because I am just 2 months only this experience, nearly 3 months, what I said is here A, B, 1 2 3 4 5 is a W, and what I said is it could be A, B and C I'm expected in the previous. And after that the last 15 days before I said this could be a B, 1 2 3 4 is a triangle, 5, so this is a W, means this is the AX. Again what I expected from here, this, if this is the A, so B can be a complex correction, and again one more high. I explained like that only, and again it may drop, after that it can shoot. So I myself because in the forex it will do like this kind of complex correction. I have saw a lot of things, but it's the entirely different from stocks. Forex is entirely different, and the stocks is entirely different. Stocks is making only that simple correction. So from the next time, I need to be very careful. Once the three waves is got over, I need to be enter. Here it did a make maximum complex correction, and it's looked like a impulsive 1 2 3 4 5 as a 3 as a extended ending diagonal like that, and 4 is a triangle, and 5. So here it did the complex correction, but it here W X A B C is got finished 1 2 3 4 5. So and immediately I updated my view. I'm expecting from here it has to come down. So here 1 2 3 4 5 is completed. So from here I'm expecting a three-way structure, little bit bigger three-way structure. So three-way structure means from here at least 38.2 or 50% retracement. It comes around 24,400, the previous support zone, or if it is a 50%, it's around 22,500. So this is a valid. So now I'm expecting a three-way structure. So here A, B, C is completed. It could be a Y. A, B, C is a W, X, Y, and again one more wave, or it could be a more complex also, because one simple correction got over. And Nifty also I'm talking about that already it may reversed, or it may could be one more wave to the upper side is also possible. So how it behaves I don't know about this. And for me, if that positional wave I didn't post it yet, so here also I marked it as A. So A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, 1, 2. So 3, 4, 5 means this has a lot of chances it didn't make the new high also. And here also it's making only three-way structure. It's not a five-way structure. So there is a lot of chances. So this could be a W, means this could be an impulsive way to the downside. It's a W on or intermediate way W, and this is a X, A, B, and C. So again, it may retested this 16 zone also. At that time, Nifty also it can drop. So everything it is correlating. So let's see how it behaves here. So next we will move on to the Titan. So Titan, the once the target got achieved, I didn't done anything, just keep on watching only. From here I said, make it in 4 hour. My target is got achieved, and you know very well about the 1250 to 1350. So 3, 4, and 5. Again it did the three-way structure, and again here it did a five-way structure. It seems like that. So in that case, this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2. What I said, no, the previous, if this is the wave over means if it is be making as a wave 1, this could be a 2. So 3, 4, and 5, it's looking like it may over also here. So every each and stocks are looking like a reverse for me, and it already broke this high. Now it's not this high, historic high, and my positional view also, we are in that sticking in that fourth wave. Whether it could be a end of the fourth wave means, again if this is the ending diagonal triangle means another wave to the three-way structure to the downside, and make a one more high also. So that is the completion of that fifth wave. So I need to work for that if it is an ending diagonal triangle, or if it is a B, C in the diagonal triangle, if it is get over means it didn't break this high yet. So there is a lot of chances for making a one more low, or it could be a triangle also in the positional. So that is why I have explained the previous also. So now we move on to the Grasim. Grasim also same, target got hit at the 825 range. So here I need to explain here is, see, is the A, what I said in the previous 15 days before, this could be a 1 2 3 4 5 means from here it has to come to the rejection. Or if this is the wave 1, this is the a end of the, this is the, yeah, from here this is the B running flat. So 1 2 3, now fourth is in here in that, or it could be, yeah, 1 2, yeah, 3, fourth is in running flat, fifth is got over, or it could be one more high is also possible. But since it's already ended, so let's see how it moves. So as per now, it is a zigzag pattern in that Y wave got completed here. So A, B, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So let's move on to next is Raymond. Yeah, Raymond. Next are lines like that. So Raymond also, it now the previous level what I said, it could be a triangle from here. Now it is making a bigger triangle also. So still in a triangle and it is valid also. So what I thought is previous A, B, C, D, E means it has to come down, but it already broke this wavelength. So now this could be a C wave. Still it is possible. So there is no trade here. I'm only looking for that 160 zone. So if this is the end of the C wave, or if it is broke this wave means this could be W, X. So A, B, C, D, E, and then one more wave to the upper side to break the high of 360, and then again I'm expecting a fall. So that is what my count here. So now it is a B wave and I'm looking for the D wave and then E wave. After that it has to break this low of uh, yeah, I'm expecting it has to reach the 160 zone. So next we will move on to Reliance also. And I said this 1 2 3 4 5, it could be already ended in the diagonal triangle wave. For that Y wave here is a W, this is the W, and this is the X. So Y wave is already completed. If we switched into that 1 hour chart, from here I said it has a chances for making a regular flat to the go to the upper side, but that is also invalid, and I have explained that this could be a by 1 2, so 3 4, and ABC is a 5. Each and every way got ABC 1 ABC 2 like that. In that case it's already ended, and the third wave is not an extended wave. I thought this could be an extended wave, so the third wave may be here. After this could be a fourth wave, and fifth wave can go above higher also. And if once it broke the channel, I knew this it's not extended third wave. The diagonal triangle has ended in very simple form. So the Y wave is already ended. Now we are in the downtrend once it broke the channel. So now I am expecting, and I have already said this could be a B 1 2 3 4 5 simple form of correction is got over, and it took that this as a support. So now I am expecting a higher level to the 2300 once again, or 2200 250 like that. In that case, if we switched into that 15 minutes or more needed to 15 minutes is the impulsive wave, and I am expecting a three-way structure. Exactly, it did A, B and C. So whether it is got one more way to the downside is also possible. And if we are looking to buy here, it may do like this also. It may break this low and again it may bounce. After that it can come downside. So while you are targeting this as a 2200, and here if it breaks this high, this low, sorry, so that could be an irregular flat. It may or may not break this high. If it breaks only, that will be an expanded flat. If it didn't break, that will be a running flat, and again will be a fall only. So you just place an this kind of a trend line, and I will just delete all those things. So now I am looking only for the three-way structure. So if you bought here, maybe a chance for breaking this low, and again once that 1272 of retracement here, it can travel up to 1750, and then again it may bounce. So that bounce could be, it can break the higher of 2100, or it could be nearest to 2024 and then again drop also. Either if it breaks above this high, there is a lot of chances, because this is a flat correction pattern. So yeah, so again it could retrace nearly to that previous zone also. So 90% can also flat can happen, flat can make. So now we move on to Bajaj Finance. That is an excellent Bajaj Finance. Once I finished my this things, no, right, the forex is very tough, and after watching here in the stocks, it's very easy, but I missed that trade. That is the one tricky here, because in forex B wave is will be, and you know very well about that B wave. It could make a triangle, or it could make a irregular flat, or it could be a messy overlap complex correction, whatever it is in the B wave. But in stocks it's not doing like that. It's very simple. So stocks is different and forex is different. I don't want to merge that. It's very difficult for me to trade the forex from the stocks. So stocks is very easy. See, after the 5 waves, I several times I have explained it could be make a triangle or irregular flat like that, but it simply made a triangle. Or it could be a B is ended here, means this could be 1, so 2, and 1 2 3 4 5 like that. It is going, keep going on. Once it already from it got a rejected, I said maybe a chances for making one more low also like this for making, and then it can go. But my target is that same thing, it has to achieve the 4800. It's already dead, but I'm not in the trade. I missed the trade. So just now I learned it's not no need to worry, right? It's a marathon. Every day we have a lot of opportunities. So just we need to understand that stocks and forex. That's it. See here, it's a, I did as a triangle here, A B C D E, and then C is already finished. Or it could be one more high also, because as per this AB is equal to CD pattern, it's 786, it's already dead. So one more high is could possible, and then it can drop for this A B C, and it's already previous high, near to the previous high. So there are a lot of chances for making another 50% drop in the three-way structure. So let's move on to next. The Bajaj Finance also like the same thing. Finserv also simple. It's A B, and we are in that fourth wave. After 1 2 3 and fourth wave is completed, fifth wave is as to 9200, and then it may drop. So next we will move on to think, yeah, Sun TV, Zil, and then Steels. My search box is, it's not working here. So and it got hanged, and I have already registered a complaint in the trading view. So that is why only in the watch list it's working. And if we go to the watch list also, I'm not keep on posting that out from the past week. So that is why I didn't uh, shared my view anything in forex as well as in stocks also. And I'm a little bit busy, so that is why I didn't update it in my Telegram channel also. It's very tough for to do that, because of my only one, I'm the single-handed person. So it's very tough for making all those things in the forex as well as in stocks, and I'm also doing the trading. So that is why I didn't done. So let's move on to the Sun TV. So from here I thought this is a 1 2 and 1 2. I did that same thing because I'm expecting here the C wave. My positional target is it has to reach above that 1107, but it's a very long time. But whether that B wave is already completed or it could be a very complex correction, can't say anything. But stocks are doing only that simple one. So whether this could be an C means it could be an ending diagonal means this could be a B C as a 1 and again A B C as a 2. It is also, that is also possible. So I need to change now. This could be A B C as a 1, A B C as a 2, or it could be a little bit complex correction. So in that case, if Nifty also going to drop means this also may be a drop can occur. So here A B C is got completed, and again one more A B, and after if it goes above that 470 level, there is a chances for drop here, or it can be a in that higher ranges, it can move higher ranges also. So how it moves behaves, it's very difficult to predict here, but we can uh, at least we can predict that it can have a chances once it, if it makes a one more high, low to the 320 or 340 levels, there is a chances for making one more high for above 500 to this zone also around 560. So let's see how it moves from here. I need a break above that 470 level. So let's move on to the zeal also same what I expecting is doing the same thing. Is A B C is a W or 1. So we are in that still correction. So here ABC is over A. So I'm expecting the B wave. So it could be a B wave, end of B wave, or it could be another. This could be a B means this could be W, X. So if X is finished here, we may see the A, B, C to the drop for nearly 150. So that is a very good buy zone in this Z Entertainment. Or it could make, see it's looking like ABC. So this could be a correction wave. Complex correction means this could be a connecting wave. Again A, B, C can go above this high and then again drop. So anything is valid, but I am looking only for the drop. But I'm not trading that futures and options. So only I will look only for the buy, not to sell anything in futures. So let's move on to that JSW on the steel section. That also did a excellent wave count as I expected. See from here, so I said 1 2 3 4 and 5, it may be extended. 1 2 3 4 and 5 is already got over exactly what I expected it did. So now I'm looking only for that 50% drop near to that 240. So once it finished the 240 in the three-way structures, I will be in buy side. So next we will move on to the Zindal. Zindal also I expected 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed 50% and it already break this high. So now I'm looking as an irregular flat. So that could be expanded flat also or running flat. Here it's A, B and beyond that C wave. So it can go higher also, but I'm looking only for the drop only if it drops in the three-way structure and if it is supported here in this zone nearly 180 to 190 zone, I will be in buy. And if it goes below this also around 140 zone for that expanded flat here in this zone, so I will be in buy side for the maximum target, because the wave 1 and wave 2 is, we are in the wave 2. This is the wave 1, wave 2, or it could be in another positional view. This could be a. So this is the B what I expected. So this could be again a lot of consolidations, it can be happen. But I thought this A, B, C is a or W, this B as X. So this could be a and B, and beyond that C wave means first wave is already over and we are in that second wave. After that second wave, third, fourth, and fifth. So that is the end of that C wave. Anyway, I'm looking for 300 and above. So if it is a 300 wave and above, means maybe around, yeah, 350 it can achieve in this zone. So next Indelco. So Indelco also same. I thought is now doing in the irregular flat. I think so. So here I did as A. So if it is a B means 1, 2, so 3, and again it will maybe a consolidation for the fourth and fifth can happen. So in that case, A, B, and C is got over. But my bias is it won't be immediately to the C wave. This could be another A, B here. So once again, yeah, it could be a B and one more C wave, or this could be ABC is a W, and this could be a X wave. So another three-way structure can happen as a running flat or expanded flat. So running flat means I'm again expected the 170 zone here in this zone. So in that case, fib expansion, yeah, nearly is 177, 1272 is 163. If it is an expanded flat, that would be around 140, 146. So what is the next? Finished Intelco. Yeah, Tata Steel we need to do. See, Tata Steel also. A, B, C as a B, C got completed. After that, what I expected, W, X, or it could be a complex correction means from here, it has a chances for making one more low. So that could be a X also. That is why I have written as a maybe a complex correction. But what it did a simple correction and shoot away. So how I have to do is, this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2, 3, 4 is a triangle, fifth is an expanded in that extended fifth wave. So this could be a, so this could be a B, C wave also, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again the fifth wave is got extended. So anything is valid. Now I'm only looking for the three-way structure to the downside. So in either case, if it is an A, B means perfectly it's a 1. AB is equal to CD pattern. So either condition, see all the patterns in JSW, Tata Steel, Hindalco, Zindal, and Nifty, and whatever we saw, that Titan, Grasim, Raymond, Reliance, everything needs an downside. So there is a Nifty also can be a drop. So whether this could be a B, and C got over, and again 50% I am expecting from the Tata Steel, all the steels. So let's move on to that MGL. So MGL also, I booked the profit and I exited my position at I already bought at 883. That you know very well. From here I am in the buy at 883, and what I said is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is also possible. It did the same thing, and now from here, and we already bought at 808. I bought here once it's broke the low 808. I bought, and I'm still holding that, and I booked at 930. All I booked because it's looking like Nifty can drop, means it can be also drop, or else this could be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 means this could be an A also. So I'm expecting this is a W, X, or this could be a wave 1 also. So wave 2 also, it has to be in three-way structure, and then 3 or C wave. So anyway, I'm looking for the three-way structure. So once it finishes the three-way structure, I will be in buy side. So nearly around 840, but I need to look for that, and then I will be in buy side for the target of 1100 to break. So next is I think Sun Pharma and L&T. Sun Pharma, wait a minute, yeah. So Sun Pharma also same. This could be a, I said same thing. Here is a wave A is got over, or one. I need a three-way structure to nearly 50%, and it is doing. It's already did a W, so I'm expecting X wave. So it is in the progresses, or it could be like that. What I said, the simple corrections. It may be a higher. It can go from here itself. So how it did that in everything, right? And Zindal, Tata Steel, like that, I'm expecting the simple correction, sorry, in complex correction, and it did a simple correction. So from here it can go higher also, or chances for making one more low to the 440 zone also again. So let's see how it moves. Here it's an impulsive wave, and we are in the correction wave, and another one more impulsive wave. Whether it is going to break this high and then again making irregular, but pharma sectors are a little bit complex corrections, so it can do anything. So now I'm expecting to the level of 540 and then again drop, or it could continue as a bullish also, because it's already did, I think the Bajaj Finance also did the same thing, right? Yeah, it's already did the 38.2 retracement. So if it is a five-way structure and three-way structure and again one more five-way structure, it can do very fast, nearly to 675 also. So be careful in that pharma stocks. And L&T I missed, right? I said I think so, L&T, because I'm expecting the WX and here ABC. So what I expected here is it could be drop like this and then one more high to break this high. That is what my target is, around 1050. But what it did nothing. I missed the trade. I exited here itself. I told that what I bought at 880 or 860 zone, and even though in previous I bought here from that different analysis at 960 or 940 something, I exited everything at 970 zone. Here in this zone I exited all my position, and whenever I saw this, okay, I'm in the right path, and it did a three-way structure. So I'm expecting to again this zone, I'm looking for breaking this high. After here, if it breaks also, I'm looking for that irregular flat. So okay, again if it comes here we can buy. But what it happened, it simply did that simple correction. So here it's a very difficult to identify. There is not a three-way structure also, but we need to consider now it is a three-way structure. In the stocks, it's some kind of in the newses or whatever it is, it's behaving like this. We expecting as an Elliott wave trader, we three-way structure. This is an impulsive wave. For this impulsive wave, we need a three-way structure. After that, one more impulsive wave to the downside, but it shooted from here, and we are expecting from here also one more impulsive wave to the downside, and then again it can shoot. But here, so what I have to do here is WXABC is a W, and here X or W. That is why I have confused. It's not a confused, it will be a possibility. So WX ABC I look it for to be break below, or again it may come to like this. So now that is an invalid, we can delete this, and this also is a X wave. So and here this is the A, because 1 ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3, ABC is a 4, ABC is a 5. In the diagonal triangle, it finished. So it's a A. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, we have to fix this as a B. No other way to make a B as a complex correction. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It may complete it or one more way to the upper side for that fourth way and fifth way, and then again I am expecting a deeper pullback for three-way structure. So nearly I am expecting again to the 950 zone, or it could be WX A B C means didn't know how it will behave. 1 2. So in the A wave, A contains a five-way structure, so this could be a 1 2 3. After that 4 5, so this will become A also, and then again B, and again one more three-way structure. After that it can go higher also, so be careful of this. Don't expect this zone what I said, 900 to 950, maybe a simple three-way structure. So this could be a WX A B and C. It can go above that 1350, 1003, sorry, 1400 also. Once again, just I'm adding water. So Ashok Leyland next, I think, yeah, Ashok Leyland still half a way to go. So I just finished my forex and uploaded that. So I'm just little bit tired. I need to finish because past week also I didn't done. And Ashok Leyland, sorry, some motors, yes. So motors also, Tata Motors, I have exited my, and I already explained that A, B, C is a W, X. Last time what I said is this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2, another 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that it may continue. So it's doing the same thing, but I did unstick to that A. So I exited that all my Ashok Leyland at 80, yeah, 92 I exited. That's it. I didn't done anything because that wave I'm not able to count here. But this is in which formation that I know, and anytime it can come down. So I exited position at the 90s, 92 or 90 zone. I exited my position what I bought here at 72, because I didn't done anything from here, because I started at only from July or September only I started. So at the time I saw here and I have bought that, and I'm expected one more to the downside for the 60 or 64. But it what I thought is if it comes here and again we can add, otherwise wait for the target. But here itself it achieved the target. So A, B is I think here, C is W, X, A, B, C. So this is the bigger W, and for this is the connecting wave. That say I'm not so sure about this because the connecting wave little bit higher for this kind of, that is why I expected here 62. But it never happened, only the just simple three waves. And here also it's looked like 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this could be a here, or 1 2, yeah, 3 4 5. So this is an A wave, and B isn't simple, I think so, because see I'm not sure about this, just because I exited my position and just I didn't done anything, and I'm not watching this also. So right now just now I watching here, this could be wave 1, so this could be a wave 2. So this could be a wave 3 4 5. So anyway I am looking only for the downside in the three-way structure, so I will keep update. I'm not able to, I'm not no need to very fast, and I don't want to force the chart. So either condition, if it comes in the three-way structure to nearly again 75, I will be in buy side. I'm only in buy side, and we will look for that. Sorry, in that daily chart. See, daily chart also got over. So now we are in that bullish wave only. So I need to work for that 3 in the impulsive wave 1 2 like that I need to work. So in either conditions, if it is that still we are in that correction means it's very tough to, yeah, it's very tough to trade. So let's see, I will try to again share my share my trade idea here. As of now I'm expecting whether this could be wave 1. Okay, anyway I will update that chart if I have a time, but I'm looking only for that downside nearly around 75 to 65 levels in the three-way structure. So let's move on to next is Ashok Leyland, Tata Motors. So Tata Motors also, see I will explain here. From here I have exited my position what I bought at 102 in this zone. I booked the profit here at 153 that you know very well. After once I saw this ABC is a B, C, I bought and again I booked the profit, but I didn't done anything because I am biased on the downside. That is my problem. Even though if it didn't break this trend line, the bullish trend line, I'm looking here from here also the 15 days before I said this could be an W, A, B, C, D, E, and from here I'm expecting that W, X, A, B, C to the 100 levels, and the target is same, right? See, the target is same, and from here also it can go above that and then again an X wave ABC. So that anyway my positional target is same, but it got achieved, but I'm not in the trade because my bias. So no need to stick to that. If it is a triangle, it can break either side. So now this is the X wave now, and this is the A wave, this is the B wave, and C wave got over. So now the target got achieved, but I am not in the trade. And I have already explained that if it breaks the high of 9 or 155.20, this one, expecting it has to reach above 170 for the Y wave in three way or diagonal. It simply did that exactly above the 170 zone. So target got achieved, but I am not in the trade. So these are all the lessons in the stocks from the 3 months I have learned. So now what is my view is again one more three-way structure. If it comes to the 140, I have to buy because again this could be a B, C, and this could be a Y wave and again X wave. So it will keep on moving to that this level, this zone. So I will be in buy side. But even though if it comes, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swings is over, nearly and again 3 more swings to that 106, we need to be in buy. Because my positional target is, see once this W, A, B and C got over, it's almost the low and now we are in the bullish only. So nearly first target is 200 and the next target is 280 here. So let's move on to the next thing is Maruti. I think so. No, Maruti I'm not doing here. Yeah, it's here. Maruti is there. So we will do Maruti. So Maruti also here. It's once the A, B, C got over and this is the end of the W or second wave. I have set and I have already uh, posted that in the trading view of for the Maruti of the. Otherwise, you can just go check with my Telegram channel. So whether this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, 3, we are in that fourth wave triangle and fifth wave can go above this level 7,900 or this could be a B, C got finished means this is a W, X, A, B and C one more low is also possible. But I think it won't do like that. It could be continue as a 5S structure. So once it got here. Once it break this high, that could be invalid for that fourth wave as a triangle, or it has to break this uh, trend line, this bullish channel. So I'm expecting only for that triangle. So let's see how it behave. A, B, C, D, and this could be end of E, or it could be A, B, C, okay, D, and E is, it can go from here also, or it can come here and then again it can go, or it could be a drop like this also. In that case, this could be A and B and C. So how we thought in that Tata Motors, I think so, right? Tata Motors or Ashok Leyland. I'm biased on this. No, I think, yeah, in the Tata Motors. I'm my bias on this bearish triangle, but it did a bullish triangle. So like that, it may be anything. So next is, yeah, Apollo tires, and we can move to that. So Apollo tires also, it's got achieved my target here. It's a ABC1, ABC2, ABC is a W, and X, ABC is the third wave. After that, the fourth wave is very small, and it already got achieved. So I think it may end it, or it can again continue to the upper side is also possible. But because I'm not in this trade, I just missed the trade here itself. I missed, and I have said here that day it has a chances for making a one more low here. That is why I have expected. So I have exited my trade at 137 zone, and it did a WX, okay, A, B, and C as a third. So fourth, so A, B, C is a five ways is got completed, or it could be anything. So I'm not sure about this. So this, and one more thing is I will update in the later. Because there is no alternative view. So this is A, B, C as a W. So this is an intermediate wave of connecting wave X. So A, or 1 2 3 4 5, this as a A. Okay, from here it's there is a lot of chances. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 as a A. So B can be a very small. So C means another three-way structure for the fourth wave, and then one more wave to the upper side is also possible. So wait for the three-way structure to end, then I will give a confirmation. So next we will move on to the Castrol. Castrol is a beautiful trade that I'm in that trade from 104.1, and we already bought at 120 also from here, expecting the bullish triangle, but it did a bearish triangle, and I bought at 104.10, the perfect low. And what I did is I booked at here again 120, and again I buy back at here 112, and now I am in the trade. So whether, my confusion is, if this is a wave A here, here it's a very perfectly, it's a five-way structure, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this could be an A. So B means C has to be in five-way structure, but it is not looking like a five-way structure. Here it did a three-way structure, again a three-way structure, again a five-way is impulsive. So I need to watch this how it moves here, because sometimes it could be a again maybe a complex correction can happen, or it could be an ending diagonal triangle pattern. ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, A, B, and C as a 3, and but anyway I will exit the position at 140, but I'm not able to find out the wave here, because I'm expecting A, B, C as a five-way structure, but here it is failed to make a five-way structure. It did only a three-way structure, and again one more three-way structure is dead. So how it moves from here, so whether it's a B, C, as a 1, ABC as a 2. So A, B, C, W, X, A, B, C, like that. It can move further down, further. But I'm only looking only for that bullish scenario. And even though immediately I want exit my trade because I exactly bought at the bottom level. So let's see how it plays. And this is in the extremely lower level here. That here is the extremely the weekly support. So now I'm expecting at least my 50% of 180 is my target. So next we will move on to, yeah, Parag milk. I think I've deleted that, but even though I didn't, I just keep on watching, and I didn't done anything. Just I exited here at the day itself. I said so. Still we are in that triangle kind of formation. But let's see. But here there is no trade here. In this time I have exited my position, just still watching only. See, exactly did the same. So now I'm expecting here. So that time A, B, so C, or this could be a C, D, E, and then again it has to break. So if it breaks above this only, it's a bullish, or it has a chances for making one more drop here also. So beware of that. And we will move on to Infosys. So Infosys, I already said that, right? Again, we are in that fourth wave, bigger fourth wave, the positional way. So three, fourth, and fifth is already over here. It's a weekly chart. Yeah, 1, 2. So 1, 2, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is got over. So we are in that fourth wave. So once the fourth wave, it's very tough to trade here, making in the cash segments. So keep on watching this, whether it is making a bigger correction or what. Whether that simply one is, I'm expecting that minimum of from second to third 23.6. So 900 is a good level to accumulate for that fourth wave, and this is also the intermediate fourth wave. So in the 900 zone only I need to buy. So until that I just keep on watching. Infosys, Wipro also same. I have explained that that too. We are in the third wave, so still we are in the fourth wave. And what else is next is HCL. So that is also in the third wave. So we are in the fourth wave. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whether this is the end of the third, fourth, fifth, or this could be again fourth, and one more wave is a high is also possible. So that is why I have mentioned, but I am not in this trade. These are all, I just keep watching only. So next we will move on to the bank sectors. So DCB, I exited my position at 90. I don't want to miss the again and again the same zone. Where is the bank sectors? Yeah, DCB. See, what I said is ABC is a B, and C is got over. It's a W, or it could be ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, and this is not a 1. I need to delete. So now this is a W, and this is the connecting wave X, and one more ABC is a has to come. So here what I bought here at 80 in this zone, previous I did as in a triangle here. So we exactly bought, and what I thought is the day A, B, C is a 1. Again from here it has to shoot for the third, fourth, and fifth. I'm very bullish on this for 140 as a target, but it did the again a complex correction and it broke this triangle also. So that is not valid for that. continuation for this from the C wave. So either this could be a again a bigger triangle also, A B C D E. So I'm not sure about this, and it didn't. I exited my position at in the zone itself. 90 again I exited my position. Just keep on watching. So let's see whether if it is making a three-way structure again to the 70, we need to buy back those things. But I'm not watching this, and I will delete this one and Parag Milks. So I need to be a little bit only the 20 pairs. So I need to delete this RBL bank like that. So RBL also I didn't done anything, just I booked the profit from here itself 200 or something 190. I exited my position because expecting this 1 2 3 4 5 waves. I expecting this could be a complex W X A B C. I'm expecting from here itself. Say I have already drawn that, and it already broken the high. So now it is an irregular flat. So anyway it has to make a three-way structure, whether it could be a running flat or expanded flat. So here also 1 2, so 3 4 is a triangle, and fifth wave, and again one more downside. Or if it is the end of the third wave, it won't the bank sectors, it won't do like that, I think so. Again it will make a one more correction to the downside. It's a 140 is a good level for the expanded flat, but in the three-way structure, if it ends in the three-way structure, we need to be buy this wavelength. Yeah, one means this wavelength equal to the 174 or around 160, or if it is in 172 means it's around, or expanded flat means 144. So anyway that is the buy zone. So let's move on to next SBIN. SBIN also I missed the trade. I exited here itself, that you know very well, the from the 15 days before I said, and it's a very bullish. So now this is the W, this is the X. So A, B, C got over. Here is the A, B, C as a A, or this is A, B, C as a B. So C means it's a wave 1, and it is not looking here, it's not looking like for the making a five-way structure, but 1 2 3 4 5. So it could be another five-way structure. There is a one more high is also possible, it seems, but I'm not sure, because it's making a W means this could be a X. So this could be a B, and C is got over 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm expecting again to the downside. Here it's a B, C, A, B, C, A, B, and C. So this will W X X A B C is over. So again I need a one more connecting wave to the 200 nearly, and then I will be in buy side for the target of 300 to 320. So next ICICI. So here also ICICI is a W. So I thought this could be an X. A, B, C is a bigger W. And what I said in the previous, this correction is not very simple. I thought like that only. And I expected again to the one more fade to the downside. And I exited my position, that you know very well about that. I exited my position from here itself, 410. So again it did a very simple correction, and one more A, B, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5. It's got over. Now I'm expecting a three-way structure, and I have updated this also. So this is a W, X, A, B, C. So whether this could be an Y, and again one more three-way structure or bigger three-way structure can into the play also. So anyway, I'm looking again to that 400 level or to 390 level. This is a major support zone here. This zone 390. So Axis Bank also same. There's no need to anything. Same pattern. A, B, C is got finished. So why? Again the three-way structure to that 500, yeah, 480 zone. So I need to be buy, and I will update that. But that for me, there is no trade for the next 2 weeks. I think so, because everything is correction and the cash segments, and I can't trade the futures. I won't trade the futures and options. So I will just keep on watching, and only in the three-way structures. After completed three-way structures, I need to be in buy side. So I think I finished everything. So thanks for watching, and thanks for sharing, and have a nice week end, and have a nice profitable day. But you just look for that Nifty, my positional view. It's looking like a, but one thing here is this could be a end of the correction also. So I didn't explain that, because in bank Nifty also I expected that whether it has a chances for making Nifty, if it is reversed means bank Nifty, this could be a W, this is the end of the X means there is a big drop is also available. It's possible. So all the bank stocks, be careful, because everything got over. The HDFC is also the high, and this also A, B, and C is got over 1, 2, 3, 4, and exactly the 5 waves is got completed. So how it moves from here, it's very difficult to say. But the bank sectors, it's all very difficult to judge here. See, in the Kotak also, it did the new high, and Axis also the same thing. It did make a high, but it the simple corrections got over. So A, B, and C, and one more three-way structure, or it could be a drop also. So beware of that. So have a nice weekend, have a nice profitable week, and thanks for watching me, my analysis, and thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.